In this video, I will show you how to add your name to iPhone lock screen. So let's get started. To add your name or any custom text to your iPhone's lock screen, we will use third-party app. So first open App Store on your iPhone. Now tap search icon in the bottom bar and then in the search bar at the top, enter any text. So this is the app that we are going to download and install on our iPhone. Now tap on Get button to download and install the app. Once the app gets installed, click on Open. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this app offers total 10 widgets that you can customize on your lock screen. So as the app is newly installed, there are no widgets available. So we will tap on widget 1. Now tap on the screen and enter the text that you want to appear on your iPhone's lock screen. Once you enter the text, just tap on gear icon at the top. And here you can apply style to your text. Under text style, there is an option design. Just tap on the drop down. And here you can choose from the options like default, rounded, serif or monoscaped. I will choose rounded. You can set the text as bold using this toggle button. Under color section, you can change the background of the text. You can even change the text color using this palette provided. Let's select red color. And once done, just tap on done button at the top. Just close the app. Now swipe from the top of the screen and in the empty area, just long press. Now tap on customize, tap lock screen and then tap on add widgets. Under add widgets, you will find option any text. But in case this option is not available on your iPhone, then you need to restart your iPhone first and then you need to add the widget. Tap on any text and here you will find widget 1 to widget 10. We have set widget 1, so just tap on the text that we just set. Now widget is available on our lock screen. Just tap on done button at the top and that's it. As you can see, my name is now appearing on iPhone lock screen. So that way you can add any name. So that way you can add your name, emoji, custom text or emergency contact number to your iPhone's lock screen. So that is how you can add your name to iPhone lock screen. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.